Many organizations have found that turnover is a very costly problem. Turnover is the process in which employees leave an organization and have to be replaced. The extent to which employers face high turnover rates and cost often varies by organization and industry. For example, the Society for Human Resource Management, SHRM, calculates that the average for all industries is 15% annual turnover. But companies in service industries such as restaurants have an annual rate of 35%. Entertainment and recreation has 27% turnover and retail 22%. Healthcare and social assistance have 20% annual turnover. Research shows that many factors can lead to turnover. For instance, job dissatisfaction, low levels of various kinds of work commitment, work-life conflict, and decreased justice can encourage people to quit their jobs. Forces such as the availability of other employment opportunities and unemployment rates are also tied to employee turnover. Turnover typically goes up as unemployment rates drop and dissatisfied employees can find other jobs. Organizations must be proactive about managing turnover so that the work environment is not adversely impacted. In particular, HR professionals and managers must look for signs that point to possible turnover among employees. Some of these signs include low interest in getting promoted with the organization, low motivation to keep managers happy, a reluctance to be involved in long-term work opportunities, fewer contributions in meetings, and just getting by or working only enough to get the work done. Turnover is classified in many ways. One classification uses the following categories, although the two types are not mutually exclusive. First is involuntary turnover, where employees are terminated for poor performance or work rule violations or through layoffs. The second is voluntary turnover, where employees leave by choice. Another view of turnover classifies it on the basis of whether it's good or bad for the organization. Functional turnover is where lower-level or disruptive employees leave, and dysfunctional turnover is where key individuals and high performers leave. Employees quit for many reasons, only some of which can be controlled by the organization. Another classification uses the following terms to differentiate turnover. First is uncontrollable turnover, where employees leave for reasons outside the control of the employer, and second is controllable turnover, where employees leave for reasons that could be influenced by the employer. Turnover is a considerable challenge for organizations, and to make matters worse, many organizations do not formally measure employee separations. The turnover rate for an organization can be computed on a monthly or yearly basis to help understand employee turnover. Organizations are better able to keep employees if they address the concerns of those individuals that might lead to controllable turnover.